I like to start with loops in Logic Pro. It's the easiest way to get into a digital audio workstation. It doesn't have to be Logic Pro, it can be FL Studio, it can be Pro Tools, it could be Ableton. There's so many flavors of digital audio workstations out there. I like to use loops. I start my students with loops because it's just the easiest way to get into the software and make music quickly, and you're like, wow, this sounds great. Drag a loop into the timeline, let's say a loop of a drum beat, some kind of beat, and then you are able to just like keep your flow going, keep the mental status of writing a song going rather than having to like fight over the battle of the science of sound part of it. So my thought on loops is that, yes, I can drag a loop into my timeline. I am able to increase or decrease the speed of that loop. I can affect the loop with reverb and echo and all these other things. You can basically make the loop your own after a while. And it gets to the point where a loop is like royalty free in most of these digital audio workstations, so you're not going to get in trouble with copyright. But if you're able to take a loop into your timeline and just stretch it, flex it, change it around, add and subtract things from that loop, make it your own, then that is copyrightable by you. So it's a good way to start to get yourself into that music as fast as you can and get to the fun stuff. Let's take a look in Logic Pro at loops.
Now we are in Logic Pro, looking at the view of the main timeline. Over on the top right side is where the loops live. In the loop browser, you can see the little loop icon. Let me just open the loop browser and drag and drop one of these loops into our main timeline. This particular loop is a beat that is playing at 120 beats per minute. It's the tempo that we already have Logic Pro set to. That means we can pull other loops from the loop browser and they will also match each other in speed. Now you can quickly get started sketching out your next song in the main timeline by grabbing the top corner of each loop region and stretching it across multiple measures. Let's listen.
Now that you've seen a little bit of loop work in Logic Pro, whatever digital audio workstation that you have, you'll find loops to be a very fun place to go. There's so many available, they're online, you can get them from so many different sound libraries, and that gives you a chance to really get in there and start making music and having some fun.